Step 1. Load the pre-prepared model into Cura. Step 2. Configure print settings to your liking. Slice and preview, then find the first layer that starts the next color zone on your model. For this example it is layer 11. When selecting the layer to pause it, it is very important to note that the printer will stop at the end of the layer when pausing. So for this example, we will be pausing at the end of layer 10 to change colors starting at layer 11. When configuring the pause it hide script, select layer number for the pause it method, enter the layer number in the box. Because I am using Octoprint to control my printers, the method used will be repetier/Octoprint pause. The last settings to configure are where you want your print head to move to when paused. I move my print head gantry near the edge of my build plate away from the print so I may purge the new color without excess material landing on the model. Pro tip: click the scroll wheel button, then use the arrow keys up and down to move one layer at a time. Step 3. Add another pause it hide script for each color change needed in the model. Thank you for watching. Hope this helps.